In 2015, a male lion in Zimbabwe was shot by an American hunter, sending off shockwaves of inaccurate reporting and worldwide anti-hunting hysteria. It's interesting that local Zimbabweans, both black and white, had never heard about Cecil the Lion. In truth, the name was bestowed upon the cat in a tried and true animal activist tactic. That is, to humanize a particular animal to garner sympathy from an emotional and grossly uneducated media and the general public. This line became an extremely profitable rallying point for every anti-hunting organization and animal rights group in existence. The hypocrisy of the Cecil phenomenon is, if examined through the lens of truth, is crystal clear to see. Every year since Cecil, rural Africans illegally kill hundreds of lions in protection of both valuable livestock and, in many cases, human life. Whether by snare, spear, trap, or poison, lions are indiscriminately killed by people who are happy to be rid of an animal that they see as an ever-present menace and threat. Yet it is pure hypocrisy that the anti-hunting world and the media place little value on and dedicate even less media coverage to the plight of these lions. To these people, it appears that only lions taken by legal hunting deserve the coverage and outrage dedicated to the overhumanized Cecil. The number of legally hunted lions taken in Africa each year is just a fraction of the lions illegally killed because of human-wildlife conflict. Legal, regulated hunting generates millions of dollars in tourism, vital for funding wildlife departments, anti-poaching initiatives, scientific studies, and habitat conservation for the continent of Africa, the home for the lion. The illegal scenario tragically results in dead lions and the loss of a precious and renewable wildlife resource. The Cecil hysteria continues to generate enormous amounts of financial gain for the peddlers of wildlife fraud and misinformation. It does nothing to give the lions of Africa a value to the people who share the land with their wild neighbors. It is these rural Africans who will ultimately decide the fate and future of this iconic species. Legal, regulated hunting, not fundraising, press releases, or propaganda will continue to be the lion's savior in Africa. Nowhere is there a better example of the conservation through hunting truth.